So what does the day in the life look like for a six-figure online fitness coach? I've never seen anyone make this video, so what I want to do here is scroll down through this training and give you an actual template that you can follow and just kind of walk you through why it's set up in this way, because I know that you're probably just like me. You want to be told what to do. You're probably very good if someone just gives you marching orders, but one of the struggles when you're first starting is that you've got all this information, right? You're overloaded with all these different things that you can do, so you suffer from overwhelm, and overwhelm equals inaction. So to avoid inaction, we have to reduce or eliminate the overwhelm and have a clear plan. We have to script our day from top to bottom. We have to plan our day, because planning prevents piss poor performance. We don't want to be waking up the next day figuring out, what do I do today? You know, where should I start? I'm gonna start a list. No, you do that all the night before. That's a foundational principle. Planning starts the night before. You write everything down. You download it. You don't try and remember it in your brain. And we're not planning beyond the day. When you're first getting started, we just got to put the reps in, and we got to get good at executing a very simple plan. We don't need a 1-year plan, a 3-year plan, or definitely don't need a 10-year plan. All right. And I will tell you guys that just like, following a meal plan, following a workout program, you miss, maybe certain sets or reps, or you miss certain macros, or you miss a day, or you blow a day. You will have days like that in your business as well. What do you do when you blow your diet? What do you do when you blow a meal? What do you do when you blow a workout? What do you do when you miss a workout? You just get back right on track. You don't wait till next week or give up. You just get right back on track. So that's how this plan is intended to be followed as well. So what I'm gonna do here is scroll right down to an example schedule of a full-time online fitness coach. What should your day look like? What could it look like from top to bottom? And I'm just gonna walk you through this, all right? And this is with 7 hours of sleep a night, because if you're not sleeping, you're not recovering, your hormones are gonna be off. If your hormones are off, you're not gonna be a happy camper, you're not gonna be productive, your brain's not gonna function, and you're not gonna be able to execute the plan. So we need to make sure there is adequate sleep in here as well. Waking up early sets intent to your day. It's purposeful. All right, it's where you're gonna find the quiet time, the magic time, the time that you can actually work on an activity that will move your business forward. So a couple things I like to do and teach my students is to stack wins in the first 30 minutes. Have a devotion, hydrate, take a progress photo, journal a bit, read 5 to 10 pages. Do at least 30 minutes of personal development before you do anything else. This means no phone. This means you do not sleep with your phone in your room. This means you do not check your phone as soon as you wake up. You're in the no phone zone, so you don't hijack your brain and get put into a state of reactivity and what other people are doing. Right after you've stacked your wins, you want to move right into your deep work. Your deep work is when you're working on your business, not in your business. So your deep work might look like creating today's post, or it might be creating tomorrow's post, or getting ahead of schedule and scripting out some content for some videos, doing some research. But this is where you're working on your business. And for a beginner online fitness coach, it should be rooted in creating your content, because you want your content to go out at the start of the day so that you can have people start engaging with it, so that when you come back, we are going to be able to have people to talk to. You'll see how this whole day flows. After you create your content, you post it to your Facebook, to your Instagram, you've got a CTA, then you go and smash a workout. This is where you go to the gym, no phone, get into your intensity zone, smash the workout, high intention, great results from being hyper-focused on that one thing. And that focus will get carried into the rest of your day. So you get your workout in, and what I like to do, and a lot of our students do, is right after your workout, you're gonna look buff, endorphins are gonna be high, you'll be in a creative state. This is when you wanna make an Instagram story, all right? A story is a sequence of stories that engage people with their problems and then offer solutions by having them message you. So right after your workout, you're setting yourself up to have more conversations the rest of your day, and you'll see how this all builds off of each other. So We've posted to our feed. We've posted to our story. We recommend posting to Instagram and Facebook to get a double whammy effect. All right. And it's pretty much the same amount of time because you can repurpose your content on both platforms. Now it's 10 a.m. and this is where we do the power hour for the next 1 to 2 hours. The power hour is where you start to message anybody who's engaged with your content. You start conversations. You're not going in there to pitch them, but you're looking for opportunities to start conversations, build rapport, see if they're qualified for your services, and offer them help if they want to schedule a call. Your goal before lunch hour is to schedule 3 financially qualified people. That is your goal every single day, to book 15 financially qualified calls from Monday to Friday. All right. That will set you up for 60 opportunities by the end of each month. So you do not leave that DM until you book at least 3 calls. So you stay in there from 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. and then you could take a break. Now, if you're in our coaching program, we run our trainings at 12 p.m. So you'll see I put members training. Now you're going to take a break, have your lunch, and you're going to come learn. You're going to start to restore the juices, bring some problems that you're experiencing with your content or your DMs. We're going to help you and we're going to get you back in it right after the call. All right. Then at 1 o'clock, what we're going to do is we're going to create tomorrow's content. We want to be in a state of proactivity. We don't want to be reactive. So after the training, you might have even got some great ideas. A lot of people share what's working in their business. Somebody might have shown a great piece of content that's going viral, that's really taken off. And you're like, oh, wow, I want to model that. Oh, that's a great idea. Oh, that's a great lead generation post. That's a great value post. That's a great social proof post. That's a great viral transformation post. So you're getting ideas from the training to set yourself up for the next hour where you're going to create tomorrow's content. So you're always a day ahead of schedule. All right. And then from 2 o'clock to 5 o'clock, this is when you can do your sales calls. People are starting to come home from work. All right. And this is when you want to book calls with all the people who expressed interest in getting help. And this is where you get clients. So you do a 3-hour time block every single day. Now, last activity of the day, this is called influencer infiltration and adding Facebook friends. This is where we start to grow your following intentionally. And we have a whole training on this. 1 hour a day, we engage on other people's accounts. And now we are not there as an uninvited guest. We are there offering value. We are there solving problems. We're there engaging in conversation. If you go on other people's accounts and you start pitching, or it appears that you're clearly there with an agenda, this doesn't work. You just simply need to join conversations. We need to do that an hour a day. And we like to comment on at least 100 different accounts a day. And this is something that's very painful. It's a grind. It's something a lot of people don't talk about. But when you don't have a following, you need an activity that's going to help your account get visibility. So this is something that once you commit to, you don't have to do this forever, but you might have to do this 1 hour a day for a full year. And now you're going to have a couple thousand highly engaged followers because they liked what you were posting. All right. Finally, we're going to have some dinner. All right. We're going to chill a bit in the evening time. We're going to respond to any messages that might be interested in booking calls so that we can fill our appointment book for tomorrow. And then we're going to shut electronics off around 9 or 10. We're going to journal. We're going to chill. We're going to script out tomorrow. We're going to report some wins. And that is the full-time schedule of an online fitness coach who wants to do or wants to keep doing 6 figures per year online. Let me know if you have any questions. Comment below, and if there's anything else you want me to unpack in a future video around managing your time for success or any of these specific things, please just let me know. If you need an answer sooner than later, hit me up on Instagram or Facebook at Vince Del Monte, and we'll be sure to connect with you there, and we'll see how we can serve you. Thanks so much for watching. Now you know what a day in the life looks like, and we'll talk to you soon.